Welcome to LiveLeanTV. I'm Brad Guthrow from LiveLeanTV.com. So guys, on today's episode, I'm showing you a superfood inspired, homemade, no-bake, paleo protein bars recipe. Yes, so this makes a healthy snack for you guys to keep you energized while you're at the office or when you're on the road. But I gotta be real. As I mentioned in my almond butter cup protein shake recipe video that I did a few days ago, I failed a few times when trying to make paleo protein bars. Either the consistency was off because I added too much protein powder, or they just didn't have enough flavor. So one of my followers DM'd me a recipe on Instagram, and I was going to shout them out, but I actually forget now that I'm filming who it was. So if you're watching, sorry, but thank you. But I played around with a few different recipes, made adjustments to certain ingredients and the quantities, and changed up a few of the baking methods. So this all led to the creation of these homemade, no-bake, paleo protein bars that are filled with superfood ingredients. And guys, you're gonna love this recipe because they are filled with healthy fat, fiber, and protein to help stabilize your blood sugar and keeping you feeling full. They're also an excellent source of antioxidants via the cacao and the goji berries to keep you looking and feeling young. And not only do they taste delicious, but they're also gonna make your body feel amazing as well. So with all that said, guys, let's jump into the recipe. So here's how to make these paleo protein bars, guys. Over low heat, add coconut oil and cacao butter to a pan and stir until melted. Then you turn off the heat, then to that same pan, add the cacao nibs, cacao powder, almond butter, maple syrup, and chia seeds to the pan and mix. Now remove the mixture from the pan and add it to a mixing bowl. Turn the heat back on to medium and lightly roast the coconut flakes for 30 to 60 seconds, stirring often, then remove it from the heat and add it to the same mixing bowl. Then add the nuts to the heated pan and roast for 1 to 2 minutes, stirring often. Next, add the dates, goji berries, lemon zest, the sea salt, protein powder, and the nuts to the mixing bowl. Pour the protein bar mixture into a food processor and blend for approximately 30 seconds. Add parchment paper to a 5x9 baking dish and press all the ingredients with your hands to form one big layer of a protein bar. And to make the mixture take the form of a rectangle, remove the mixture and the parchment paper from the baking dish. Pack the mixture with a knife to compact everything together and form tight edges. Now place the protein bar mixture in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours, or as long as it takes for the mixture to solidify. So I tried at the 30-minute mark and the mixture was still crumbly, so it wasn't solid enough yet. I then put it back in the fridge overnight for 12 hours. Hey Kai, are you excited for the protein bars? Yay! When I checked it in the morning, it was the perfect consistency for a protein bar. Next up, cut it into 6 protein bars and sprinkle with coconut flakes to make them look pretty for your Instagram photo. And the nutrition info for one protein bar: 295 calories, 10 grams of protein, 21 grams of carbohydrates, and 19 grams of healthy fat. If you don't have access to certain ingredients, guys, feel free to use any of these following ingredient swaps. If you can't find cacao butter, simply double up the amount of coconut oil. And the goji berries, the chia seeds, and the cacao nibs are not a necessity, but they are very nutrient rich and add an abundance of antioxidants, fiber, and taste. So if you can, keep them in. And feel free to swap in any of your favorite nuts and nut butters such as macadamias, walnuts, or pecans. So let's give this paleo protein bar a taste. Guys, that's the real deal. Damn, that's good. So if you enjoyed this no-bake paleo protein bar recipe, you're gonna love our step-by-step cooking video recipes, our meal plans, our grocery lists, and our workout programs in our Team Live Lean group coaching site. Jessica and I will provide you with the game plan and the support that you need to live lean. So guys, we'll see you over there. Thanks for watching and keep living lean.